Hey there. Okay, so this video is all about when will your manifestation come? Of course, we all have this question, when will it be here? When will I manifest what I want? And the answer I've got for you today is this. Your manifestation will come when you know it is fully done. When you know without a doubt, and you have full belief at a 10 out of 10 that what you want will manifest in your reality. So your job is to saturate your mind with what it is that you want and believe with 100% of yourself that your manifestation is coming. Okay? No room for doubts. When you stop questioning, when is it going to be here? When am I going to see it? That's how you know. Like if you're doing that questioning, that's how you know that you are not fully believing it. Okay, you are not fully believing in your manifestation. And so when you don't have full belief, because as we know, right, our beliefs create our reality, right? And so when we believe wholeheartedly in our manifestation, that's when it can come to us. That's when we've fully let go. We have let go of all the doubts and all the reasons why we think we can't have it. And we are fully knowing that it is done. I've got it. It's coming and it will come. It's like, you know, when you think about something that you haven't got a lot of attachment around, like you might think of someone like a friend or something like that. And then you let the thought pass through, like, you know, you're thinking of whoever it is, like a friend of yours, and then you let it go and then they message you, right? And that's because you had no attachment, you had no doubts, you had no gripping on, needing, hanging on. Like, because when you're in a energy of need and want and desire, you're not in the actual place of it being here, because that's a different level. That's a different energy vibration, okay? And so when you know that it is done, that's when you've gone into a different level, a different frequency where your manifestation actually is. And it's only a matter of time for that to come into your three-dimensional experience, okay? But it's already done within your fourth dimension, within your imagination, right? And then it comes into the three dimension. So when you know that it's already done, right, that's when it can come in, because you're not focused on it not being done. And where is it? That's a totally different state. That's a different timeline. You've got to be in the timeline and in the state of it is done, because it is. Your desires are for you, okay? So I hope this makes sense. So if you're asking, when is my manifestation going to come? Not the right question. You want to say to yourself, I know it is done and it will be here any moment. Or just knowing that your manifestation is done and it is coming and it is there for you. All right? So no more waiting and wanting, more being and allowing and being in the energy of what you want is already done. So let me know in the comments if this made sense, if you've got any questions. And also let me know, are you in, like, which state are you in? Are you in this state of when is it going to come? When am I going to get my manifestation? Or are you in the state of it is done? I 100% believe that this is coming and I'm here for it. Let me know in the comments because I'd love to know. Alrighty, I hope this has been helpful and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.